Hello team, good morning. Today we are going to see about leave and absence analyst agent for managers. So how this particular agent will help managers to get information related to the absences for their particular team members. So we have logged in with the future proof. So who is the implementation consultant? Now I'm going to create a agent. So go to Navigator, go to AI Agent Studio, go to AI Agent Studio. So here we will be having agent teams, agents. Okay, search for the particular product, absences. So there are 4 AI agents up there. If you see here, leave and absence analyst, my team. Select that one and use template. So I'm giving the name as JPMC. I'm just giving the name as JPMC Leave and Absence Manager AI Agent. Okay. So you can increase the number of interactions with this chart here. Okay, you can make it 20. Okay, if you see the description, this particular AI agent will help managers in understanding their team members' current absences, available leave balance, donated time, cash disbursement. Okay, also supports in submitting absence request, donating leave, or converting leave balance into cash for their workers. Okay, so the basic details I have given here. Now the important one, large language model. Which large language model we are going to use here? I'm going to select the latest ChatGPT 5. ChatGPT 5 mini. And reasoning effort, making it as high. Security. So this is a particular AI agent that will help only managers, not for all the employees. So now click on add here. I want to give a role COE. AI agent explorer should be there. And I want to add another role COE. Who is having this AI agent admin also can access this particular agent. Now select apply. So I have added these 2 roles. Whoever having 2 roles can access this AI agent. So chat experience. If you want to upload any kind of file, you can upload. Question. So last time we have discussed, right, for individual. So now we need to ask as per an employee. So here I want to show one thing. As a manager, first of all, we need to know who are reporting to us. So I have took a sample example called James Cobb. James Cobb is a manager here. Okay. And these are the employees reporting to James Cobb. I want to know John Bull, what is his current absences? Just as an example, you can ask any type of question. So is there any vacation plan for Deanna Jones in next 2 months? Has Lucy Ferrer has. So I'm asking, is there any pending approvals for absences with respect to my team members? So these are the kind of questions I can ask as a manager. Okay. Now just click on update. Okay. So now I'm going to publish this JPMC Leave and Absence Manager AI agent. So now I am publishing this JPMC Leave and Absence Manager AI agent. It got published. So now it is available. Okay. So now what I have to do? I log in, I log out as a future proof, which is implementation user, and I log in as James Cobb. Okay, I log in as James Cobb. Okay, first of all, I'll go to my team and go to team activity center. Okay, I want to see all the employees. So there are 7 directs and total employees are all 7 reporting to James Cobb. So Deanna James, Fred Klinker. So these are all the employees reporting to James Cup. So as we have taken the same thing, okay, we have downloaded this org chart. We have downloaded the org chart. So now, so I want to see any leaves applied by Diana James. Okay. I want to see any leaves applied by Diana James. Go to here, go to AI chart. I'll go to AI chart, go to explore agents, search for JPMC, leave and absence. So whatever the agent we have created and we given the privileges, so he can able to view that particular customized agent. So this is a particular customized agent. Okay, he can open his agent. So now I want to see how many sick leaves applied by John this year. How many sick leaves applied by? So I want to change in this year. We can ask the questions naturally in our language, English, and it will go to the database and it will verify all the data and it will retrieve this data and it will again answer the questions in a proper natural language, that is English. We see here, Diana James has 0 sick leaves request recorded. If you see here, Diana James has 0 sick leaves requested for this calendar year, that is from 2026 January 1st to this particular one. We can ask any of this one, show all of our absences for this period or create a sick leave request for her. Or let us take, I want to ask, so I want to ask the same thing. I want to ask how many sick leaves applied by John Bull in this year. Same, John Bull also has applied 0 sick leaves. So now we will log in with another browser and apply some sick leaves as a John Bull and Diana James. Okay. We will apply with both the employees and apply sick leaves and see how it will reply. So now we have logged in as an employee called John Bull, who is reporting to James Cup. John Bull is reporting to James Cup. And now I'm going to apply a leave here. So I'm selecting sick leave. I'm going to apply 30th and 1st, 2 days. Okay. And now click on submit button. Okay. I'm logging as Diana James. And now I'm applying as, I have logged in as Diana James. I'm applying sick leave. Okay. So we have logged in with 2 employees. One is John Bull and another one is Diana James. And both have applied sick leave on June 29th, June 30th and January 1st, July 1st. If we go to here, we can see what is the existing absences. So it is under awaiting approval for both Diana James and John Bull. Okay. So now we will log in as a manager, that is James. Okay. So now manager will get a approval request for both John Bull and Diana James. Okay. So before that, we will go to one important thing. So now we will ask again how many sick leaves applied by John Bull in this year. So what is showing here? John Bull has 0 sick leave request recorded for this calendar year. Okay. See, but here why it is showing 0 is like as of now manager, this James Cobb has not approved the leave request. Okay? So now just close this one. Go to home page. My team and go to manager concierge. So this is a new UI where you can see all the actions what manager has to do from one place, that is manager workspace. So it will provide all the insights for the manager what he has to complete. Is there any pending transactions or any kind of approvals are pending? We can do from here. So see here actionable inbox insights. So pending transactions. So Diana James and John Bull have pending sick progress entries from UK. This is the entry. So you can go from here. Okay. You can see the pending absence notifications. Here is the summary. So 2 employees who are reporting to James Cobb has applied sick leave. Okay. So the notification summary is that Diana James sick on June 30th. If you want to approve, just approve, click on approve. So here the approval notification for the transaction has processed successfully. Now John Bull sick leave is pending. Just go to here. We can complete all the actions from manager, concierge, workspace. Okay. So now we can go to view. Okay. Say the notification requires your review. Name John Bull sick leave. Okay. June 30th and July 1st. Okay. Now just click on approve. Okay. So here there are no pending transactions. So if you want to see more pending transactions, just go to here, view pending transactions. If there are any pending transactions, it will show here itself. So there are no pending transactions. There are no pending transactions, no journeys, no communicate posts. Okay. So now just we will close this manager. Okay. Now I'll go to me as a manager. Now I'll open this chart, AI chart. Go to explore agents, search for absence. Okay, open this AI agent. Now you just ask how many sick leaves applied by John Bull in this year. I'll explain here. So we have applied leave as 2 employees who are reporting to James Cobb. One is John Bull and another one is Diana James. Okay. Okay, it took some time for ChatGPT to refresh that data to get the latest data. So initially it showed that it has a 0 leave request. And it is saying that it is not enrolled in sick leave plan. I have asked, is there any future dated sick leave for John Bull in this year? Again, it is saying no. So just now I have approved the leave as a manager. Just I have asked ChatGPT to cross check one more time. Now what it is saying here. So it has confirmed that John Bull has applied sick leave. And after confirmation, it has refreshed the data and identified the days, how many days it has applied, how many days John Bull has applied. So John Bull has applied from June 30 to July 1st. 2 days he has applied. Okay. And status is in scheduled status. So in absence management, when a particular employee applied for a leave and it got approved, actual status should be scheduled only. Okay. Because see, when it is approved, it will go for schedule. Means as of now, what is the date? Today's date is June 29th. So the absence is scheduled for June 30 and July 1st. So the status is correct only. There is nothing wrong here. So I have asked that to refresh all the records for my team members who have applied leaves. So it has refreshed all the absence records. So Diana James has applied 1 day and John Bull has applied 2 days. Okay. And no other directors have reported any kind of absences. Okay. So this is how we can talk to ChatGPT and get the latest information with respect to our team members as a manager in Oracle HCM cloud applications. So this is one of the wonderful AI agent. We don't have to go here and there. Everything will be fetched from ChatGPT here itself, which is embedded in the agentic AI application, that is Fusion agentic AI applications. We don't have to search here and there. So just you can ask in a plain English language and it will retrieve all the data properly. Sometimes it will take some delays, but once the process background process are all completed, the data will be reflected with 100% accuracy. Okay. Okay, team. Thanks for your time and have a good day.